If you really want to speed up your phone, so it runs much faster and without lag, so all apps open several times faster than in games, then, of course, games will stop lagging. But what does this depend on? The processor or the video accelerator? In any case, the speed will be several times higher than even on budget phones. You will be able to play the most demanding games without problems on all phone models. Applications are limited by the apps that manage them. This means all your processes that run when certain apps are running. For example, when your phone is under heavy load and you launch a game, the processor allocates more frequency so that the game at least somehow runs, but not at maximum. Because of this, of course, the phone performs worse, the game may lag, and before buying, of course, you checked all the phone's parameters, as with a standard processor and a standard accelerator, but it still performs so-so. Now I'll show you how you can very easily solve this problem and really speed up your phone. We don't need to download any programs. Watch the video to the end. Watch. Go to our standard settings. Look for the section called Applications. All applications. Here we write Joys in full or in part. And this is the app that launches when something serious and heavy is happening on your phone. For example, you're running a heavy game or opening 123 apps at once, or watching YouTube and doing something else. In other words, multitasking. Or it happens that you even downloaded an app, but it consumes a lot of RAM and CPU resources. And what does it do? Of course, it limits these frequencies, and the program lags. And there is no way around this here. You can click Clear, and nothing else. Well, closing it is the same as if I click the arrow and exit. That is, the app will remain. What do you need? You need to use the Google Play Store. Click on it here, on your avatar on the right side. Then look for help and reviews. Find the line about how to delete an app in Google Play, and then the line, click to go to the app settings. If you're using a dark theme, you'll need to switch to a light theme to use this setting. Otherwise, you'll get an error. Go here and immediately click Show System Processes. There's no search option, but we need to find the specific app we were just looking for. By the way, my channel has a lot of other interesting videos about speeding up. You can scroll through them and take a look. You can speed up your phone not only this way, but in other ways as well. And here I am, scrolling down. Go to this app, click Power and Performance. Make sure it's set to limited mode, like mine. Go back. Clear the cache. Click Clear Cache. OK, go back and only then click Stop, and then OK. Now reboot your phone and you can try it in a game, or just scroll through the interface, or check the loading speed of an app. In short, you'll see a significant difference later, and your phone is working as it should. Again, I repeat, this setting is suitable if you are a serious user of your phone, that is, you want to speed it up so that everything works much faster and there are no lags.